Hello scrappers and planet lovers, Tin Man here with another video. So today I'm in the beautiful town of Petrolia, Ontario. Shout out to all my students at St. Philip's Catholic School. And today I want to try magnet fishing. A lot of my subscribers ask me why I don't sell the magnets that come out of speakers on eBay for magnet fishing. Today I'm going to use a different type of magnet. These magnets are actually out of microwaves. They're from the Magnetron, very powerful. And as you can see, I've got a number of them strung together. I don't know what's in this pond, but the idea of magnet fishing is to throw the magnets in, drag it along the bottom. If there is any types of metallic metals, they will stick to the magnet and you will be able to get them. So a lot of steel, unfortunately no gold, but there are times where coins have metal properties in them that are metallic. So I'd love to find some of that or some jewelry. But again, I don't know what I'm gonna find, so wish me luck. So I have tied the string to my stomach. I just have to throw it in and hope for the best. I'll turn this way a little bit so you can see. Just throw her in there. Let it sink to the bottom. Nothing really. Just a little bit of sludge. It helps if I don't step on the rope. Back on there. I gotta have the picture of the bridge in there, so even if I don't catch anything, at least it's a very nice view. So there are on this throw some little pieces of metal. Okay, so not worth anything, but I just throw it into a bucket. You know, and kind of nice to get it out of the water system as well. And you can kind of feel when you have something. Right now I can feel kind of a pull. It could be reeds, but it could also be some type of metal. It depends on how strong your magnets are. There are definitely stronger ones than the ones I have on here, but we'll see. Okay, some more little pieces of steel, little flakes. Okay, I got some older nails. Okay, so I got a couple older nails here. That's kind of neat. Okay, so put them in the bucket and try and just remember to throw that. I'm going to turn the camera a little bit, but hopefully there's a little bit more stuff up there. Another little piece of nail. Again, I feel a little bit of a tug on this, so maybe there's stuff right around here. It'd be nice. You never know. Just some little flakes of metal. Nothing significant. Come on, coins. Come on, coins. Okay, just a little bit more sediment with a little bit of metallic stuff. I'm just gonna turn the camera a little bit. I'm just gonna move it to the side. Nice pull here. I'm not sure if it's anything. Yeah, just kind of like my fishing there. Got a lot of times where it's feels like a fish and just a snag, but there are a couple small pieces of metal here. Oh, what else I got here? Got some type of pin. Just some sediment. Okay, some more little flakes. Looks like another nail. Little pieces of flake, I guess. Keeps coming off. would love to be like one of those YouTubers, find a jar of money or something of value, a motorbike or something, but definitely I'm not in the mood to find a weapon. Don't want to have to wait around for police. I'm just gonna try one more. The string actually started to come off. I'm gonna try just a little bit, I guess. Just a couple pieces of sediment. Turn the camera for you so you're not in the sun. Go this way now. Oh, found a nut. It's a pretty big nut. So I'm gonna try one more throw this way, I guess, and if I don't get anything, I'm gonna pack her up. Just a lot of sediment and nothing of great value. So I'm gonna actually just stop it there. I had fun. Unfortunately, nothing big. I came out last week and I ended up getting a big metal pole. I also got a little bobber, but this time, I went out to a new pond. Like I said, I've never been here, so wanted to try it out and see what I could do. So it was fun. Definitely, as I said, did not come through like the big YouTubers with their motorbikes and big dish of gold or coins, but again, very glad to be a part of this beautiful scenery. Again, shout out to the wonderful students and staff at St. Philip's Catholic School in Petrolia, Ontario. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Tin Man out.